Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your notes available offline. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To make the Evernotes available offline, you need to enable the offline feature, depending on the platform that you are using. For example, in our case, we're going to be using the mobile device. If you're using an iOS and Android, all right, offline notes are available to personal, premium, or higher tier accounts. Ensure your account has access to this feature. Now, I'm going to click on a specific notebook and the notes that I am using. All right, in my case, I'm going to be using this one. All right. So this is going to be the note that I wanted to provide to my teammates, all right, to make sure that they have access to it later. So the first thing is I'm going to share this for now to my client, to my team members, and make sure you give them access by clicking this section right here that says restricted and anyone with a link can edit. Why? Because if you're working in a collaborative environment and say they're always on the go and they have like a limited mobile data restriction or they can't access Wi-Fi, they can still edit the notes available to them if they work it offline. All right, so send the email address, enter their name here, and afterwards click the send email. All right. After sending it to our clients, since they're going to be able to make their resources offline, I want you to hover to the upper left corner where you can see the settings. There is an option that says offline. All right. Make sure that this option is, you see, you have two options at the bottom. You have the manage offline notebooks, wherein you can use all these when you're not using any mobile data or not using the Wi-Fi on your mobile. Same goes with the manage offline notes. You can do all these once you tick all this option. All right. So this note is in a notebook that is already available offline. So now to make sure that both are accessible on your offline editing notes, just tick the option right here that says downloading all notebooks. Now, what will happen is you will now have an access to the Evernote even if you're not using a mobile data. If you open the app, you will still have access to all these stack up notebooks without any problem. Unfortunately, I can't show you the offline version because the screen share that I'm using right now requires mobile, all right, or mobile Wi-Fi. So if I undo the Wi-Fi, if I disconnect my Wi-Fi to show it to you, I can't show it on the screen, all right? But basically, if you do that, all the notebooks or the notes will be available offline if you click this, because it will download all the notebooks. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.